What's good, y'all? It's a great day. Welcome to Road to 10K. Today is day 44, I believe, and I lost around 300. I don't know the exact P&L. I lost $429 today. I know I over leveraged a lot on this trade, but let me show y'all the account balances. One account lost 220. Hold on. Exit replay mode, because I don't know. And Trade Sinker is glitching today. All of this, that, and third. But as you can see, 185 on the 25K, which is, I'm not tripping, and this one's up 379, which isn't bad at all. I'm not tripping. Losses are gonna happen, and we just bounce back from them. But let me show y'all what I was expecting to happen today. Give me 1 second. All right, so coming into the day, I'm looking at the 4-hour and I'm looking at the daily, right? So as you can see, we're definitely in a downwards trend, right? So the bias is bearish today. As you see, downwards trend right here. Probably want to go get these lows over here, which we do end up doing. We're rejecting off, but the thing is, we inverse this 4-hour, but we have this unmitigated right here. We're tapping into this 4-hour. We're clearly disrespected, and we already closed out this one. So maybe when we want to keep going down, boom, 1 hour, we're rejecting off this 1 hour right here, this 1 hour gap, and we're continuing to selling off. So the bias should be definitely bearish today, and y'all will see exactly why this trade is very unfortunate. Not even unfortunate, but I try not to marry a bias today, and the one day I don't, it cheats me. It's all my fault, because now looking back at it, I am looking at the 1 hour. We're clearly rejecting off this 1 hour gap multiple times. We're going down. The only next 1 hour gap is nowhere. So now we have to look at the 4-hour. Well, where we might want to go? Maybe to these draws down here. Is it lined up with a 1 hour? It is. There is a 1 hour gap, but it's in inverse. Okay, cool. There's not really any 1 hours. Maybe 30-minute gaps. There is a tiny 30-minute gap right here, so maybe we can go target that, right? All right, so cool. Market open. We go to the 1 minute. Market open. We did this. Hold on, give me 1 second. Boom. Where's market open? Market open. Hello. Okay, cool. Boom. We swept out this liquidity up here. We tapped into this 5-minute gap. Also, I'm pretty sure this maybe wasn't unmitigated. I'm not sure. Okay, no, it was a key level because we took out the high in there. So I'm looking for a entry to get in on shorts right here. We close out this 1 minute gap, then come right here, and the next candle I think we had a 30-second inversion as well. So if I had a 30-second chart, I would have took the 30-second inversion. I'm over here looking for inversion. This is a perfect place setup. It goes perfectly with my bias. So then we do not end up getting it. So, or we did get up getting it, but I didn't look on my top step, and I don't have the 30-second on my trading view. So I do need to make that purchase very soon. But it's all good. So boom, right here, we continue to push down. We tap into this 5 and 15-minute gap. Right here, we start coming back up. We create a 5-minute gap right there. And we created a 5-minute gap right here. I did take this play on ES. So as you can see, we're bouncing off that 5 15-minute unmitigated. We come up, inverse both the gaps on ES and NQ. So maybe we don't really want to inverse this gap. You know what I'm saying? We displaced nicely through it, but the problem was we did not have any unmitigated gaps above us. So it was really nothing drawing it to price. Only thing that I could think of was maybe this 15-minute gap, but it's been touched all up, and then this 5-minute and this one all the way up here. Price is not going to want to do that when it could just go down here, get this key level, just keep getting it selling off. So as you see, I did enter at this point, and pure stop loss rated. We got one 5-minute candle, and the next one straight killed us. NQ kept going down. Just got tricked today by the market. Can't even be mad. It's all something to learn from. You know, can't get manipulated like that. It's all good though. But let me show y'all the live recap. So as y'all can see, we are on the live video right here. So boom, as you see, we're continuing going up. We swept out the 1 hour high time frame right there, and we're pushing up this gap. We're about to inverse it, and we end up getting the inversion right here. Boom. So we get it. 5-minute inversion. I'm comfortable putting my stops right there. We took out the majority. We took out the equal lows right here, relative equal lows, and then we took out some more below it. So that being said, we're gonna continue to. I thought we were gonna continue to go up, but that is definitely not what happened. We started getting Drake down. ES then went back up. We were at actually in profit on this trade, down 150, going back to profit. So now I was like, okay, maybe this is a good trade, but I still think it was a good trade. Just, you know, I'm confident in it. I was confident in the trade. If I wasn't confident, I wouldn't have took it, and that's all that matters. Y'all see what I'm saying? But Y'all did see the P&L. Y'all saw everything. Discord link in bio. Everything is in bio, man. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Tomorrow I will not be trading, so or actually I might. It just depends because I might have to trade on my phone. See if I can get a little tactical. You see what I'm saying? But yeah, man. I'm not mad at it. We hit on Monday. We weren't supposed to trade on Monday, so today came in, lost that money plus more because it did trade on the other account. The trade sinker was tripping this morning. I do not know why, but trade sinker do be tripping crazy. Because on TradingView it actually said I only lost 185 or around there, but on trade sinker it said 220. The other one was 209. So that's just very unfortunate. Over risk a little bit too much. I don't like to be in the 200 range, especially with the $150 or the 25K account. Excuse me. But thank y'all so much for coming out to this video. I hope y'all enjoy it. Love.